Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to use Google Drive offline. This feature allows you to access and edit your files even when you don't have an internet connection. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. At the top right, click the gear icon and select Settings. Then, in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Offline. Check the box that says Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Once you enable this option, Google will begin synchronizing your recent files so they are available without internet. Keep in mind that you will need to stay online initially for the setup to continue and be completed. Once you are done, make sure you have the Google Docs offline extension installed if you are using Chrome. This extension allows offline access to your files directly from your browser. After setup, you can simply open Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides on any computer without Wi-Fi, and your changes will automatically sync back to Google Drive the next time you connect to the internet. This feature is perfect for traveling, working in areas with poor connectivity, or making sure you always have access to important documents. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.